What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. The first video in September. August was actually a pretty cool month. The business was doing great, clients were successful, students were successful, everything looked pretty fine. I hope August was great for you as well. And you know, soon it's Oktoberfest time, so we have this little German Oktoberfest beer over there to keep me well during the video. Let's see how this goes. And I just today wanted to talk about a really important topic, which is Google Ads click fraud. Now, if you run Google Ads, you probably know that sometimes, you know, when you direct traffic to your page, these people are literally spending like 1 second on your site, right? So they leave immediately, they do nothing, they are just moving around without any meaningful action. And sometimes it feels like these people are actually not real people, right? It feels like they are just, you know, they can't be real people because they behave in such a strange way. And I realized that very few people are aware of the fact that something like Google Ad click fraud exists. Now, Google Ad click fraud basically means that bots, most of the time, you know, it's bots that are clicking your ads because they basically, you know, in the end get paid, or because they have been hired by a competitor to click on your ads, or on the other hand, bots are clicking on websites so that people get the display ad revenue. And it can literally be like the 10, 20, 30% of your clicks are from fraudulent clicks. And this is of course a huge problem for your business, because let's say you spend $1,000 a month on Google Ads, like up to $300 or something could be eaten away by bots. And this is why I want to present you a tool today that helped me tackle that. I've recommended it to some of my partners, and so far everyone was pretty happy with it. And the tool is called ClickSeize. Now, what ClickSeize does is it detects fraudulent clicks, and depending on which plan you use, or depending on how, you know, what version of the software you have, they have different ways to stop people or to stop bot traffic from basically eating away your budget. Now, what I have to say about that, it's a pretty, like I said, it's a really good tool. And depending on how much you advertise on Google Ads and what your budget looks like, I can recommend one out of 2 different plans. Now, if you don't spend too much on Google Ads, let's say you're just running an entry-level account, you have like $500 a month to spend, I recommend the basic plan, which you can get for $15, and here you get up to 1,000 ad clicks, which means the system detects up to 1,000 ad clicks. Let's say you spend 80 cents per click, so up to $800 in ad spend basically. And imagine, you know, 10-20% of your clicks are fraudulent. In this case, if you spend 800, the tool may have saved you 80 to like $160. Now, I won't claim that the majority of your clicks are fraudulent here. So if you decide to use that tool and you realize that not too many clicks were actually fraudulent, please don't hate on me for this one. But I'm just saying that I've seen many accounts where this was a problem, and this is just a tip I can give you guys. It's not that, you know, it's a tool that every single advertiser needs, and probably you don't, but it's just some resource that I want to let you guys know exists, so that you know how to tackle that problem. So how this works is, on the basic level, on this basic version here, you get notified of fraudulent clicks, and basically they tell you which IP addresses are actually not delivering value. So which IP addresses are most likely bought from bot traffic. And on the basic level of the tool, they won't automatically do all the things for you, but they tell you, hey, these IP addresses are not working well. These are most likely bots. And now you can go ahead, go to your Google Ad account, and you can exclude these IP addresses from sending clicks to your site. So this is already a good way to at least reduce your waste in the future. However, there is also an alternative option, the standard level. And depending on your budget, this may be interesting for you, because now you get up to 5,000 clicks, and they have something in place called the Refund Claims Manager. Because if you got fraudulent traffic from AdWords, you are eligible to claim a refund. So let's say you wasted $1,000 on bot traffic last month, and you can pretty much like prove that then AdWords will give you, or it should give you, $1,000 refund, which of course is pretty cool. And even though you can do this with the basic version as well, there you have to do it by yourself. So you have to fill in some reports and all kind of stuff. It's very difficult. I've tried it myself once and it was just super annoying. And with this one here, you have a refund claims manager. So basically ClickSees will go ahead and will handle the full refund for you. So they have all the data, they know what was bot traffic and whatnot. They will go ahead, they prepare the refund claim, bring it to Google, and depending on the outcome, of course, you will get your refund. So this is the tool ClickSees. Like I said, it's just a tip for you guys that if you use Google Ads and if you see that, or it feels like your ads are not are getting a lot of bot clicks, this is something you should try out. So it's no like advertising intent here or anything like that, just a tool that you need as soon as you spend more than a couple $100s a month in clicks. As I said, if you run on a very low volume, the basic plan might be right for you. If you're running on a somewhat higher volume, the standard plan might be good for you. And as I said, the standard plan has the refund feature while the basic plan hasn't. And also they have the automatic IP blocking. So here on the basic plan, you have to go ahead and block these IPs from your side manually. With the medium plan, they do it for you. This being said, guys, if you have any questions, post them in the comments. Also, let me know if you had the impression that you were getting like bot clicks before. It would be really interesting for me to know. And I hope that this video was helpful so that you now have a resource to stop that. I made this video, as I said, because I realized many people were not aware of the fact that something like this exists. And this is pretty much the only way to get rid of these fraudulent clicks, because you cannot do this yourself, right? You don't know what exactly a fraudulent click is. So this being said, I hope this was helpful. Cheers, guys. I hope that you have a great day and that your business will do very well in September as well. If you like this video, please leave a like and please subscribe to this channel for more e-commerce, Google Ads, marketing stuff. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.